Meaning of fritter.
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 Fritter. The word fritter has a few different meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it refers to a small cake made of fried batter often containing fruit or vegetables. As a verb, it means to waste time or money on trivial matters or to break something into small pieces. Another way to describe it could be to dissipate or scatter something that should be focused or conserved. In essence, fritter can mean to squander or fragment resources, whether tangible or intangible, in a way that is ultimately unproductive and wasteful.